All right, hi everyone. Welcome to the video. In this video, we are gonna do a web scraping on a blog. Just gonna show you a couple of basic steps how to do a web scraping. So this is my blog. I upload Python tutorials and videos. So let's try to scrape and get all the posts and the links and stuff like that. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, left click on the mouse and click inspect element as usual. We do always. All right, and we need to copy this URL first of all. That's the number one thing, and we need to import the libraries, of course. So let me try to zoom a little bit so we can see that from BS4 import beautiful soup. That's right. We're gonna do import request. We need a request, of course. I'm just gonna copy the headers real quick. Let me just see where do I have it, because yep, those are the headers that I'm gonna copy while I'm gonna request on the library. All right, so let's paste the headers. Once that is done, we need the URL. Of course, that's gonna be easy. Oops, I gotta copy again. Go here, samilsha.995.blogspot.com. All right. Oops, I was not able to copy it. Let me do it once again. I pasted right here, a little space here, a little space there. All right, now we need to do a request to the website. All right. So we say, as usual, request.get URL equals to URL. Oops, URL. Then headers. What's happening? Headers, yep, headers equals to headers. After that, we need to check whether we were able to get the response. So I'm gonna say R. Let's see whether the simple request works. Hopefully it should. We should get 200. All right, we got response 200. That means we are all good. Now let's create a soup object and try to scrape it real quick. All right, so what do we do, guys? We create a soup object. So soup equals to beautiful soup, and we have to say r.text, and we're gonna say HTML parser. All right, lovely. Just gonna make sure that I get the content. So I'm gonna say soup.text, and let's try out that if I get the HTML content from the website. Once we are done with that, hopefully we should get the HTML content. Hopefully, if yep, that's right, we got the HTML content. That's beautiful. Now let's try to extract the post name and the URL. So guys, if you observe closely a little bit, each of this post, let me hover my mouse over the container. Yep, that's right. So we have a class known as widget container. Inside this we have something known as archive list. There should be, let's try to dig a little bit more inside. So here is the post. It's inside a class known as post. All right, and here is the hierarchy. So hierarchy is basically all this content is inside that hierarchy. So the April, the March, it's all inside the hierarchy. So again, copy that as usual. We're gonna do a for loop, of course. So let's write a deep for loop, a two for loop. So soup, I'm gonna say for x in soup dot find all. Gonna say class equal to the name of the class. It was hierarchy, am I right? Colon, and if I do print x, and if I run this, I should get the hierarchy HTML content. Hopefully, yeah, they're beautiful. We got that. So now here you see we have the name of the post and the link. How do we extract that? So let's get a little deeper inside this. So let me write one more for loop. For y in x dot find all. Find why that's not working. X dot find, just gonna copy that real quick. Oh, it's a comma, that's why. I see. X dot find all. So of course a colon, and what do I need to find? Class underscore post, right? So I'm gonna say post, All right, and after that we are gonna say print maybe. Yeah, let's try to print it. So print y. So if I print y and simply add a breakpoint to see what I'm getting. Oh, basically, you know what? Yeah. So here you see now we are inside that post. We have all the posts. Now I need to extract all of these one by one. How do I do that again? So to do that again, there is something known as we need to extract the href, the link, and the title. So of course we need to do a find all. Right, so let's define a blank list known as title, and oops, and I'm gonna define link equals a blank list as well to store all the links. All right, so I need to extract the link. How do I do that? So I can say y dot find round bracket, and I'm gonna say href. Hopefully that works. Hopefully I'm gonna say a equals to just gonna print that real quick to make sure that works. I'm gonna add a break statement. Oops, I'm gonna add a break statement, breakpoint. Run that real quick. All right, so it says a equals to y dot find. Okay, so it was not able to find that. That means maybe I should give this inside. Oh, I'm trying it for the first time, by the way, just to let you know. So if we run into error, that's fine. We are learning, so that's all. So we get none again. That's fine. Okay, maybe that did not work out pretty well the way I wanted. So let's say print y dot text. So this should extract the title, and then we'll see how do we extract the link maybe. All right, so we got all the titles here. So let me try to append that in. All right, so we're gonna say title dot append y dot text. All right, we have the title now. Now we need to figure out a way to get the href content, I mean the link. So how do I do that? Good question. So let's say print y, gonna add a breakpoint again to make sure that there we go. All right, I need the href. So I did that before, but let me see. Open recent ub, because I did it in couple of videos or my projects before, so just gonna take a quick reference how I did it. So okay, so I can do it this way. I can dig in a little more deeper inside using a for loop. So yep, let's try this one, maybe, hopefully. So let's just add one more for loop. It's gonna be y find all, yes, and I think we don't need to find all, yeah, maybe, yep. So let's print q, maybe q, and add a breakpoint as well. Let's see if we get the href or the link of all the post. Hopefully, lovely, we got it. And if I just say dot text here, should give me the link. Hopefully. Oh no, it's actually giving me the text version. I just need the link. So if I do just the print q, then it does give me the link, but I have this entire stuff. So what I need to do, maybe I'm not sure, I'm just giving a try. If I do href here, maybe it should work, maybe not. Yep, that's right, I got it. Yo, okay, so we just do an href here, so we dig in a little bit more deeper inside. All right, so we have used 3 for loops. Oof, that's a lot. All right, so let us upload the titles of all the posts. I'm gonna say q.text link dot append q href, and after this is done, I can just print title print. Oh, what the hell is happening? Oh, not list, links. All right, so this should grab all the titles and the link. Let's see. All right, you can see all the titles and all the links are there in a list. You can do a CSV, you can do anything you want. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this web scraping tutorial with Python. If you have any doubts, questions, suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. Let's end the video right here and see you guys for the next video.